Are you someone that's prone to shin splints? If so, you might want to check out what you're doing in your walking, because if you're picking up your feet instead of releasing your knee forward, it could be adding or causing the problem. So instead of being a foot picker upper, you want to be a knee releaser forward. And that lets your ankle extend and your foot dangle before it rolls through.